Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Asu Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about tech system job. So on the screen you can see about tech system job. Here is the link. You can find the link in description below. You can check out the link. Okay. So here you can see tech system jobs. Here you can see about section. You can read about on. Here you can see role description. At tech system you can read out this also, and here you can see selection process. Okay. So in selection process, you can see there is an online assessment, group discussion, technical interview, final round of selection process. So there are 3 rounds in this selection process, and here you can see important guidelines. Online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidate. After testing, shortlisted candidate must be available for a further online interview process. Candidate should be available for immediate joining. So this joining is immediate joining, and there will be an online assessment. And if you qualify the online assessment, you will get a chance for an interview, and if you qualify the interview you will be selected. Okay, so here you can see job card. Simply click on it. Here you can see the job role is trainee engineer. So job role is trainee engineer for 2019 and 2020 pass out batch. Here you can see salary 5 LPA to 6 LPA, Hyderabad, Telangana, and here you can see one more location. Okay, so here you can see full details. It is a full-time employment and 2 job locations are Hyderabad and Bangalore. Okay, so if you get selected, you have to work in these 2 job location. You can select any one of them. Okay, so here you can see job description. Should have hands-on coding expertise of one or more software technologies. So software technologies like Java, Python, C hash or database, you must have experience in this. Okay, so here you can see the job include working on various cutting edges technologies of Java, .NET, Python, Big Data, Cloud, Amazon AWS, Azure, GCP, MuleSoft, iOS, Android, Salesforce.com, and much more. Okay, so here you can see CTC 5 LPA fixed and 1 LPA is deferred. Okay, so 5 LPA is fixed for any candidate, but 1 LPA is deferred. You can get more benefit if you work good. Okay, here you can see eligibility criteria. Candidate for BE, BTech, MTech in any stream graduated in academic year of 2019 and 2020 with 70% aggregate throughout the academics are eligible. So here we can see if you are from BE, BTech or MTech, you can apply, but your pass out batch must be 2019 and 2020 for applying in this job role. 70% is aggregate, overall aggregate is required. Okay, so here you can see the process. There will be online assessment, then group discussion, then technical interview. I have already discussed about this already. Here you can see benefits of participation. Mini projects and assignments are included as a part of program to provide hands-on experience. Here you can see, and here is the 2 years of here you can see 2 years of service agreement. Okay, so you can check it out more. Okay, so here are more details. You can check it out also, and at the bottom you can see form. There is a form. You can fill up this form and apply for this job role. Okay, so first you have to fill your email address, then full name, contact number. Here you can fill current location, graduation degrees required BE BTech, graduation year of passing 2019 and 20. Okay, here you can fill graduation branch or stream, then your graduation percentage, 12th percentage, 10th percentage, and if you are if you are done MTech, you can select. Okay, you can select this tab. Okay, so apply for this job role, select all these things and select and click on this button and you can submit for this job role. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you have understand all the things. If you find useful, if you find this video useful, please do like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.